this is a bearded iris, and you can see on the falls of the lower petals, they're called falls, the beard. And these irises, of which there are hundreds of varieties, need to be grown in a very well-drained soil and in full sun. So if you have a very dry garden, they're perfect. Not so good for a wet clay soil unless you want to raise them up a bit, and then they'll grow really well. They can be attacked by snails, especially when the stem comes up. So the best thing to do, what I do, is go and pick them off. Division, or the time to plant them and to divide them, is in August, September. And all you do is you get a fork, lift your plant, snap the rhizomes, they grow from rhizomes, off, and then replant them about the same height. So you've got the rhizome just above the soil, because the rhizome needs to be baked by the sun for the flower to develop for the next year. You can tidy them if you like, the leaves, but I wouldn't worry, you don't need to.